Hello everybody. How you all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from Donga Yard? Yeah man. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. All my new subscribers, thank you. Those who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, thank you also. Welcome. Okay, now today I want to do for you just a small vegetable all raw salad. This is a Jamaican salad, you know, where a lot of people, most roadside or like cook shops and some of the restaurants that are not so sophisticated, they use it a lot, but most of them they tend to use the cabbage and the carrot. So today I want to do for you this same salad, but bring it with a twist, putting a twister to it, putting it a gig to it, bringing it up, bringing it to life. Okay, I'm gonna give my hands a little rinse here because we're gonna use our hands. Right here I have some finely shredded, get right in, cabbage, white cabbage. So we're gonna put it all in, right? And in order for you to get your cabbage like this, it's best to use a serrated knife. So you want to do it and you press against it like this. So you get tall, thin strips. Or you can go against it, but be careful. Be careful. You can do like this, but you use the serrated knife. So you get tall, thin strips as you go along. Tall, thin strips. So shredded cabbage. Okay, so we have our shredded cabbage in here. To this right here we have a nice head of lettuce. Try to get lettuce that is green, mostly green. So we're gonna rough shred it off, not really all that finely shredded. So we're gonna sort of rough shred it off. So we want most of the green parts of it, family. Alright, but as you notice, my one is almost green, is green to almost down to the stalk. Alright, so we're gonna dump that in also. Right here I have some wedges of cucumber. If you get greener ones, fine. To this now, I have some coarsely shredded carrot. I'm going to dump it right in. I have some thin strips of sweet pepper, red. I'm going to dump it in. And I want to give this a twist. But before I start giving the twist, I have a cup and a quarter of brown sugar right here, because I'm going to make you all a dressing. And to this, I want to put about 3 running over tablespoons of maybe about 2 and not fully 3, but 2 3/4 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, and we're gonna leave that to dissolve. We're gonna grate some fresh ginger. Wash. If you want to scrape it, you scrape it, but when you scrape it, I think you don't get, some people scrape it, but I don't want to scrape it. I want to get the whole thing. I want to get everything from the ginger, the strength of the ginger. So that is like probably, this is like about a teaspoon, because I want a good amount of ginger. So I want to taste my ginger. So inside of this now, I'm going to look at what I have. Yeah, this is like a little more than a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. I'm going to leave it in there. Look at it. And we are going to dissolve it. Right here I have some freshly chopped pineapple, and I'm going to dump it in. Now, yes, my sugar is dissolved. I'm going to put my ginger, my brown sugar, and my white distilled vinegar dressing all over. and I'm gonna toss. I'm gonna toss, you all. And at the end of it, you'll see the colors coming out. Maybe you can use probably like a wider container to get it. Look at the color. Look at the colors coming out. So the gig to it is the pineapple with the ginger and the brown sugar and the white distilled vinegar. Look at this. All fresh raw vegetable, and the twist to it is just a fruit, which is pineapple. Now, why use so much ginger? You really know that pineapple and ginger, they go back a long way. Ginger always bring out the flavor from the pineapple. And most of these raw vegetables that I use, family, they have no flavor. The one that has in the most flavor in there is the sweet pepper. Most of them, they have no flavor on their own. Okay? So, we have tossed, and I think we have completely been tossed. But look at the beauty. Look at it. So, what I want to do for you all before I serve up my salad, I just want to taste. I just want to do a little tasting, family, for you. I get it up, and I have my pineapple. Look at it. I have almost a piece of everything in there. I want to taste before I serve it up. So I'm going to go right ahead, take up some of my pineapple. Look at the freshness. Look at the crunchiness. I'm going to plate. You want to get up your pineapple chunks, as we are using the tongue. So most of the pineapple chunks in there, so we want them. So we're gonna get them out. Family, it's a beauty. If you want to, if you're a person that likes salt, you can put a little salt, not a lot. But I'm not a person that uses a lot of salt, so I wouldn't go for salt. But some people like salt, they use a lot of salt for whatever the reason. But I really don't want it. Because for me, a lot of salt is not good. But look at this. Look at this. And I've tasted for you all. So there you have it. Fresh, green, little red, and all of that. Fresh, green, leafy, crunchy vegetable salad with just one fruit, giving it a twist. Yes. If you like this little video, you can thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends, with your co-workers. Tell them about it. Look at this. Try it you all, and when you do, let me know. And if you think you can put any other little gig to it, you try it, and when you do, let me know in the comments below. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you all my new subscribers coming in. Thank you so much. Love you all. And from my kitchen to yours again, it's a fresh, green, leafy mixture vegetable salad with one fruit, giving it a twist. Enjoy. A Debbie from Donga Yard.